Pineapple sweet and sour fish. Heat on, pot, rice, water, cover. Red bell pepper, cut into cubes, done. Cube up yellow bell peppers, done. Cube up green bell peppers, done. Red onions into cubes, done. Rice is cooked, fluff and cover. Ripe pineapple peeled and cubed, done. Roughly chop up the rest, blend and strain out the pulp. Heat on, pot, ketchup, brown sugar, rice vinegar, soy sauce, pineapple juice, salt, MSG, water, mix to simmer. Scour your fresh fish on both sides, season with salt, rub it in, including the insides. Now for the cornstarch, coat both sides, dusting off the excess. Heat on, pan, oil. Fry your fish, basting and turning not to stick. Flip and baste, removing when golden brown and crispy. Oil, onions, toss. Sweet bell peppers, toss to char. Pineapples, toss till fragrant. Salt, MSG, toss to season. Pineapple sweet and sour sauce, toss to coat. Mix cornstarch slurry to thicken up and you are done. Pour this over the hot fish and let it absorb. Flake the fish, serving over rice. Dig in. Another option is using the fish fillet, fry it and cook it in the sauce. Enjoy. Usibebe samaki kwa matatu, use Carrefour online grocery shopping as it's as simple as selecting your fresh fish and veggies delivered to your doorstep fresh and ready to go. As you can see, the gills are still bright red, a sign of freshness.